हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज है 22nd ऑफ दिसंबर एंड आज यहाँ पे टोरंटो में स्नो स्टॉर्म की वार्निंग है। तो आज रात से शुरू हो जाएगी एंड मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे ये 2 दिन रहने वाली है। बट हमने कहा थोड़ा एडवेंचर करते हैं एंड द एडवेंचर दैट वी आर डूइंग इज़ we are going to another Christmas market today. So we are going to Distillery Christmas Market which is in downtown. और वहाँ पे जाके एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कि कैसा मार्केट है। राइट नाउ द टेम्परेचर इज़ नॉट दैट लो बट विंड चल रही है तो ठंड काफ़ी हो रही है, इसलिए हम ऑल पैक्ड हैं। बट या let's go and check out की Distillery Christmas Market। ये how does it look, what are the things there, और मैं आपको भी अपने साथ लेके चलती हूँ। So let's go।
Best part about Christmas celebration is that wherever you go, it's decorated everywhere. We are now in the downtown area towards King's Subway and look how bright it looks. It's time to take the streetcar to Distillery Market. This was my daughter's first time in streetcar, so she was really excited.
Hey guys, so I'm here at the Distillery Market and considering the Christmas is just around the corner, another 2 days away, there's a huge queue. So at least 15 minutes की waiting है यहाँ पे। हम queue में खड़े हैं बट अभी आए हैं तो जाना ही है। So guys, you can look at this. Wow, how beautiful does it look? Ooh, this is beautiful. It's all lit और पूरी की पूरी Christmas vibes आ रही हैं। And if you want to shop, you have a lot of stuff to buy as well.
This is Distillery Market's famous Christmas tree, and this time it is decorated by Dior.
Amazing shops जहाँ से आके आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के लिए गिफ्ट्स ले सकते हैं। They have lot of candles, they have skincare, lot of woolen stuff, lot of crochet stuff. So you can definitely go and check out gifting items here.
Let's check out some shops and some gifting items here.
Sugar blossom, sorry, orange blossom, and this is sugar pine. This could be a good gifting item. Okay, this is champagne and roses. This is divine. Very nice.
Trust me, there were so many items there that I got confused and decided to skip shopping this time. Let me know in the comment section अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है। Finally decided to eat some hot waffle.
Oh, what have you got?
I've got milk chocolate.
It's really bomb.
Thank
you. So we are having the famous scoop waffles.
Let's enjoy and start.
Bon appetit! Bon appetit!
Merci.
Let's go.
This is too good. इतनी ठंड में अगर आपको इतना hot waffle with cinnamon and sugar मिल जाए, what else can you ask for? So, bon appetit!
After having waffles, we wanted to drink some hot chocolate. So हम निकल पड़े in search of Mill Street Brewery to drink their famous Santa's hot chocolate.
So we are here at a brewery drinking a hot cocoa.
I'll have to eat that a few days ahead of time.
Santa's hot chocolate.
I feel like also allergic to the bug.
Tanika, what are you having?
Hot chocolate, mama. I'm allergic to ants.
This is too good.
Look at the crowd, guys, and that too इतनी ठंड में.
I don't know how I'll eat this.
कैसा है?
After eating crispy chicken burger, we were feeling really cold. Hence wanted to go indoor and check out some more shops. The shops were jam-packed in the evening and there was hardly any space to move. Want to buy some amazing Christmas decoration items? This could be one of the places.
So there is a miniature of Eiffel Tower here. Paris जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
This could be a perfect spot to click some nice pictures. Since it started raining, we decided to leave. But we definitely had a great time which we will cherish forever. After all, it was our first Christmas in Toronto.
So guys, we had a really good time here at Distillery Christmas Market, and it's a great place for kids and adults. Definitely felt like a holiday season, it felt like a festive season. It was all lit everywhere and amazing food to eat. So if you like this channel, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so that you get to know when I post my next videos. And enjoy and have a great time during this festive season. Until I meet you again, bye!